Thank you for watching Sweet Eminence Candle Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Today we will show you how to melt natural soy wax. We have already measured 1 pound of the natural soy wax flakes that we will use for this demonstration. For this process we will use a melting pot to melt the wax. 1 ounce of fragrance oil. 3 amber glass jars for the melted wax. Wick clips. 3 pre-cut wooden wicks. Wick stickers, and a wick trimmer even though our wicks are already cut. To start, we will turn on our melting pot to the medium setting, being that we are only melting 1 pound of natural soy wax. Since it is only 1 pound, we can pour the entire bag of pre-measured wax into the melting pot. We'll place the top on the melting pot to retain the heat. While the wax is melting, we will prepare the wicks for the candle jars. Let's take the wooden wicks and place them into the wick clips. Here's what it looks like once they are put together. Now we will take the wick stickers. And place the wick and wick clip on top of the sticker. We will follow the same step for the next 2 wicks. Now that the wicks are ready, the wax should have begun to melt. As you can see, the soy wax has already begun to melt in the center. It takes about 15 minutes to melt the wax using this particular melting pot. We will add a time lapse to speed up the process. Now we can check the progress. Usually, the melting pot heats up faster in the center. We will use a wooden spatula to push down the wax that is clinging to the sides of the melting pot. Now let's give it a little stir and allow the remainder of the wax to melt. It is time to check the temperature of the melted wax. The ideal temperature is 185 degrees. Once it reaches 185 degrees, we will add our fragrance oil. As you can see, the temperature is still rising pretty fast. We will definitely have to give the melted wax a little more time to cool off because it will go past 185 degrees. We will give this a few more minutes to cool down. Let's see if the melted wax is ready. If the numbers on the thermometer move a little slower this time, the temperature reading should stop near our target of 185 degrees. This is a good sign. As you can see, the temperature is rising a little slower. We have reached our target of 185 degrees. Now we can add the fragrance oil. This is a good temperature to achieve a great hot throw as well as a nice cold throw. For those of you wondering, this is only 1 ounce of fragrance oil. In order for the fragrance to blend with the heated wax, we will have to give it a good stir with our spatula. Try not to stir too fast because we want the two to blend evenly. Now that we have finished blending, we will let the heated wax cool down once more. This time, our ideal target is 145 degrees. It is best to pour the heated wax around 145 degrees because the cooler the wax, the less chance your candles have of developing bubbles or tunneling. The hotter the wax, the more bubbles will form. If the wax is too hot, it will form a tunnel in the center or in a random spot within the candle. While we wait for the wax to cool down, we can start the wicking process for the amber jars. Some of you might remember that there is a circle in the center of these particular amber jars which makes it easy to center the wicks properly. We'll place the wick on the center circle and repeat the process for the next 2 jars. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Now let's check the temperature and see if we can achieve our goal of 145 degrees. It went a little past 145 degrees, but it is close enough for pouring. Because the wax has been cooling down for a while, we will give it one final stir before we pour the scented wax into the amber jars we prepared. Now it's time to unplug our melting pot and pour the scented wax into the jars. With 1 pound of natural soy wax and 1 ounce of fragrance oil, we will be able to make 3 8-ounce candles. As the wax cures, we will clean up a little bit before we show you the finished product. The scented wax has fully cured, and here is what the finished product looks like. And as you can see, no bubbles or tunneling. As always, we hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our website at www.sweeteminence.com.